Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do another product review today. This is the VacLife VL726. It's supposed to be good for pet hair. We're going to find out, that's for sure. Nick's Jeep was used a lot to take Mac's places. And there's still a lot of Mac's hair in it and dirt in it, so the test for this will be the Jeep. But it's a regular handheld, cordless vac. You can use it anywhere. So let's get into what's in the box. And I will spare you going through the box and pulling out item by item. That's what's in the box. The attachments. First off is this brush. A motorized brush, which is unusual on a handheld vacuum cleaner, and if you notice that silicone bars on this roller, that's for pet hair. It works too. I mean, we use something like this, it's handheld, and to do all the furniture and everything, you just like scrape it across and it pulls all the hair out of the fibers of the fabric and everything. So hopefully it works well on this vacuum. We're going to find out. But you get that motorized brush. You get the dusting brush attachment. Get this back where you can see them. You get the crevice tool. Get in them tight little places. You get a spare Hepa filter, which is nice. You get a user manual, for what it's worth. You get a charging thing, plug it in. And last but not least, what you get in the box is the vacuum. I like it. I like the color. I like the way it looks. It's not heavy, but it feels solid. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. I really like it. Has a battery life indicator on it. Has a light, an LED light. That should help in a Nick's Jeep is all black, black interior, black carpeting. That'd probably come in handy. The reservoir, or whatever you call where the garbage goes, to empty it, you just push the button, pop that off, pull the filter out. There's ample room in there. I mean, it'll hold enough. I like it. I like that filter. It's got a pre-clean filter, pre-filter, and the Hepa filter. So you got two filters in them. And they're washable. You can rinse them off. And you get a spare Hepa filter. Can't beat that. Just snaps back together. Feels like a good charge. Of course, I don't want to make a mess on my desk. Let's see if it'll pick that up. Oh, heck yeah. Alright. Now it says to completely charge it before you use it for the first time. So I'm going to plug it in and completely charge it like it says. Which I rarely do what it says, but I think I'm going to really like this. So it's got three, like I said, three. It's not going to take long to charge. I think I'm really going to like this, and this is going to be perfect in my van as I convert it over to a camper van. This is going to be perfect to carry in it to clean it with. Wow, just as I'm doing this, that thought came to me. Heck yeah. So let me get this thing charged up. We'll get it out the next Jeep. give it a run through, try to shoot some video of it, and then I'll be back to talk about it. The VacLife VL726. Of course I knew that, I just was fooled again. I'll be back, folks. Alright, we're out here at Nick's Jeep. 105 is the index, the temperature, heat index. It's like 95 with 80%, 85% humidity. But you can see the dog hair in this carpet. We're going to test the VacLife Cordless vacuum cleaner and see what it does with the power attachment on it. On the vacuum, there's a light on it.
I didn't know there's dog slobber.
Yes.
And I didn't realize he had slobbered behind the seat onto my amp.
He slobbered everywhere, Dick.
Yeah.
That does pick up the dog hair. And you know that St. Bernard hair gets all wound up in the fibers of the carpet. So, we saw it, did a decent job on Nick's Jeep with Max hair, but, you know, obviously it could take some more time. We did it real quick just for demo. I want to see how much it actually picked up, so let's pop the canister off, take the filter out. Okay. Well, it picked up some dirt and plenty of hair. I mean, it got a lot of hair considering. Damn.
You know what we didn't do?
What?
Shut off the TV or mute it.
Oh, I know. That's all right. You can't hear it. Or we'll ignore it.
It's probably in public domain now anyways.
I know, who cares? Yeah. Alright. That was that one spot in Nick's Jeep. That's how much it picked up. It did pick up the sand.
But you can see.
Okay, yeah, you can see it. We're going to try to... This is all the... from this. Okay, Gigi. We're going to see how well it picks this stuff up. Cat hair and rope threads. Let's see how much we picked up
Off the cat tree.
off the cat tree. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Holy crap. Yeah. I'd say it does pretty good. There you have it. The VacLife VL726. I had to look it up again. I think it did a fine job. I like it for what it is. There'll be a link in the description if you want to purchase one. Like I said, on Amazon, they're like $65. This should go about, what I understand, about 20 minutes on a charge. And it takes about 3 hours to give it a full charge. And we still have, well, you saw what we did. It's still got 4 lights on it. So we're still good to go. But that, to me, that's a lot of crap. And it didn't clog it up. I'm surprised it kept on going. So, you get the vacuum, extra Hepa filter, crevice tool, motorized pet roller, and the dust brush that we didn't even use, and the charging cable. So I think it passed muster. I'm glad they sent it to me. Now, they are giving one away because I'm doing this. And remember, that's how I do. I try to do all my videos this way. If I'm going to do a review on something, you know, give me one to do a giveaway with, because you guys deserve it. Leave a comment on this if you want to win one. In a couple weeks, I'll do another video. But, well, let's say 10 days. What's today? The 15th? On the 25th, I'll do one. We'll randomly select a name, and I will forward the information to VacLife. They will ship you one directly for free. And you could try it out and see if you like it. But I think it's a good one. You can tell by the weight, it's not a cheap knockoff of anything. It's got a good feel to it. I like it. Appreciate y'all watching, supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. I'm out.